Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Manarino, back again. Yeah, on this lovely day, no doubt about it, Friday, June 22nd, 2018. So why am I so giddy? Maybe there's something wrong with me. I am sure that's true. All right, so let's talk about a whole bunch of assets today, what they did, and how bizarre I think this whole situation is. Let's start off with the stock market first. I know I did cryptos earlier today. I'll talk about that in a second. But, the stock market finished mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average put on less than 0.5%. The NASDAQ finished down about 0.25%. S&P 500 finished higher, I believe, by 0.19%. I don't even know what the Russell 2000 did. Does it really matter? What I'm trying to get at here is another really nothing day for stocks here. Dollar did weaken a little bit. They did buy some bonds here, making sure they keep that 10-year yield in that sweet spot. No doubt about it. Silver put on a nice gain today. Gold put on a little bit of a gain today. Cryptos again did get hammered. Look, here's my take with regard to cryptocurrencies, and there's a lot of you that do not like this thing, and I get it. Believe me, I get it. But if you would rather have a central bank backed note in your pocket, well, then good for you. I think one of the ways to get rid of these criminal institutions, because that's what they all are, these world central banks that have shoved a debt-based economic model down our throats, is we need an alternative, some type of decentralized mode of transaction. Whether you like these cryptocurrencies or not, I think you're missing the bigger picture. The bigger picture is, if you really don't like what's going on here, well, we need an alternative, and I can promise you they will not go back to a gold backed currency. Won't happen. If that were to happen, it would take away the power of the central banks. Their only power that they have is the fact that they fist feed their product to us. Their product is units of debt. You understand? Cryptocurrencies, at least, are not units of debt. They are not. They're not owed back to any issuing central bank. So, just like $1 or €1, you don't own that. You think you own that? You're smoking something big time. It's owned and owed back to the issuing central bank, plus interest that they print out of thin air. So, look, either you're on the central bank side or you're not. And I'm not saying any one of these cryptocurrencies that are out there is the answer. We need something, period, to bring down, seriously, because that's what we need to do, these central banks who have, crushed us all with debt burdens beyond imagination, the entire world at this particular time. So you choose who you want to, back. You want to be behind a central bank issued currency or a decentralized, because we're not getting a gold or a silver or a commodity back. This is not happening in our lifetime. You can dream and pray all you want, ain't happening. That would take away the power of these central banks, which is not happening without a major revolution around the world, which they will squash you like a bug. And if you think I'm wrong, we have fought wars to establish a fiat monetary system and the petrodollar. Your life is insignificant to these people, and you better get hip to the program. All right, so with that whole thing said here, it's Friday, people. It's Friday, and I'm very happy about that. Crazy week. Next week is probably going to be just as crazy, and we're going to have all kinds of fun talking about it. I can promise you that. One more thing. I've been hearing from a lot of you that have been using the chart on my website, traderschoice.net, link in the description of this video. And I am happy to hear that you're making cash using it. You better pay it forward. I don't care. 10%, 5% of your trades, take it and put it, those profits towards a charity that you believe in. If you don't do that, if I keep hearing from people that telling me they're making money off of those charts but they're not donating it, I will remove all of those charts. I don't need them. They're not for me. They're for you. So with that said, it is Friday. Love each other, care about each other, and be charitable. Especially those of you that wrote to me about you making money, or I will take action.